What's going on YouTube? Chino Reaper here, back with more Sons of the Forest with Hostman 53 and GME Theron. So, what is today's mission? Theron? I don't think he's talking. Okay, today...
Our goal today is to do the tower and work on the thing.
I thought today's goal was to get Reaper a katana. Wait, what?
Huh.
Anywho, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And with that out of the way. Ooh, are we... Is this how you build the tower? Ooh, can I... Ooh. I did it! Da 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 da. Anyway, so we spent the last episode getting the glider. So what we'll do is probably just fly there. That'll go so much quicker. Wait, what? Are we throwing? Why are we throwing those on there? You. Hey, how do I pick up a placed object? Hello?
Hold down.
See?
Hold down and look up. See? Yeah.
Alright. That is the big log sled. It does things the regular sled can't. We cut more trees?
No, we don't have time. We have to get your katana real fast, and then be in as you noticed, we made huge progress last night when you ditched us.
I didn't ditch you.
We're making progress.
I see that. You guys are doing fantastic. Although, I don't think people want to watch a video of us chopping down trees and building things like cavemen. We're not cavemen, SpongeBob! We have technology!
Building in this game is oddly satisfying.
It really is.
Oh, I'm not gonna...
Like, it is like Minecraft level satisfying.
Oh, I'm not gonna deny it's fun. It's just people don't want to sit and watch that. So, like, building some stuff is fun, especially when we do something fantastic, but at the same time... I wonder if we could build a tank. Because you got that ballista out front. I wonder if we could find a way to put it on logs. Why is the grass moving?
Come on!
Ooh. Are we going for a flight?
Follow!
No.
I wouldn't equip that just yet. You won't go far. Wait until you're up in the air and then equip it.
Wait, what? That's an option?
And if you need an example, watch how I do it. Launch all fighters!
And he just pulled that thing out of nowhere. Alright, let's go. And I missed. Womp, 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 womp.
You gotta
make sure you reset it, by the way.
There you go.
Oh, hey. Alright. Whee! Alright, where are we headed?
This way!
Do 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 do. Alright. Ah, there's my radio. Alright, let's pick up speed here. I gotta admit, I find the glider more fun than I do the building aspect.
Blasphemy.
Blasphemy? Oh no.
That's a lot better to fly everywhere.
Oh.
Hey, Oz, you remember when we could only fucking go around in the damn golf cart?
Yeah. It took freaking forever to do anything.
God dang.
We got dark.
That sounds terrifying.
Now we can just fly. Oh, dude. Don't worry, we're gonna stay out late tonight and let it get dark, and you're gonna see how terrifying this place is, even with a torch.
Whee!
Well, the good thing is it's 8:34 in the morning, so we are going pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, also, let us know in the comment section what you guys think. And let us know what you want to play next. So, do you have anything to say to our fans? No.
I hate it here. He's abusive. He beats me. Hell. I'm blinking twice.
Ah, man, you've lost your mic privileges. We talked about this. I'm going to fall. Damn it, I'm inside the tree line. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it! I'm not gonna make it!
Stay above it. Don't run into a fucking tree, you idiot.
Ah! Oh god! Oh god!
This is so dramatic. Watching you slowly get closer to the ground.
Did you like that? It's called acting.
Now, you guys are struggling over there. I'm up here on the hill eating blueberries.
Oh, he is struggling terribly.
Yeah, I'm up here eating blueberries and raspberries, watching you guys be idiots.
I'm not being an idiot. I can't seem to get airborne. Ooh, a cliff.
You need to tilt down a little bit. You have your glider like pointed straight up.
Yeah, well, it's kind of hard to see.
Yeah, it slows you down. But, if you stay out of the tree line, you won't have those problems.
Really?
Alright.
There you go.
Hey. Pull up! Pull up! Ooh. Like, I'm trying to get above the tree line and I just can't.
Yeah, you can. You just don't pull straight up. You'll come to a full stop. You have to be fast. As long as you don't run into a tree, you'll be fine.
I love this. I love flying through the... Squirrel! Alright, where am I going? I can't see... Ah, fuck!
He just crashed. I got you, buddy.
Damn it.
Follow me.
I said the no-no word.
I'm on the ground with you.
Ugh.
Alright, well, I'm heading back to base since you guys are not wanting to do this.
Hey. Come on. We just gotta find a cliff for me to jump off of, and I may or may not deploy my glider.
No suicides.
Too late. Oh wait, where do we go? Is there a cliff around here? Ooh, I found some berries. Austin, where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
Hey, look, our friend found a golf cart that we left here at some point.
Are you sure you left it here? Nice. Ooh, you even got music too. Alright, let's go for a ride. Ooh, this is some good music. Wait, are you doing the jingle for cereal? Ugh. I admit, I've been enjoying this game a lot. I know these guys can't hear me, but this is kind of like the scene from not the scene, but the like the confession booth from like Total Drama Island or whatever that TV show was back in the day. Except instead of it being a porter potty, it's a freaking golf cart. You guys can't hear me, can you? Ah, nice. I can't spell.
Although living on the beach might seem like a dream.
Oh man, I can't wait for this to come out. Ooh. There's a campsite back there. Nope. Pretty sure that's how I spell it. Hello?
Where the hell is this bunker? Oh fuck, I forgot, bro. We're driving now.
Oh. Oh, wait, back in the vehicle we go.
Although living.
Anyway, no one else can see this. Honestly, I think I might make this part of the video later on down the line. Just have that survivor joke, except we do the confession booth. It's like, I feel like my teammates are gonna eat me, but I am definitely in it to win it, guys. Ah! Oh, man.
Although living on the beach might seem like a dream, we have struggles like everyone else.
I'm an adult.
These are my
I'm an
friends.
adult.
This is my life.
Are we
And
here
this
now?
is Dana Point, California.
Fridays at 9 on KXTV.
Oh, hey, there's a golf cart here. Or not a golf cart, a golf course. I bet. Do we get back in the vehicle? Alright, looks like he wants us to get back in. Who would have a golf course out here in this hellscape? Ah! Oh, nice, another hole. Ah, man, I love automatopoeia. And the sad part is I don't even know how to spell that word. Ooh, that is a good song right there. Oh man, it's probably jarring for you guys, I'm sorry. Ah!
I think I broke it.
It's stuck on a rock.
You know we could just jump from that and glide it, right?
Oh nice, there's a stick.
Yeah, that's the point.
Hey, there's a war party over here. There's a war party over there.
Where?
Oh, hello. I say we go say hello. For the glory of the Imperium!
The fallen shall forever be remembered as the Emperor's finest.
Take him out! Go to sleep. Go to sleep. How are you still alive? It's nothing personal, friend. Heads up, we got a mud man. Oh, hey, there's mushrooms here. Dang. Hey, what do mushrooms go into?
Dead, buddy.
Oh, here I am talking to myself. What do mushrooms go into?
They go into your inventory and you use them to craft like certain meals and
My ass. They go into my ass.
Hey, dude, remember the whole swearing thing?
gonna get him in trouble.
It's just us. Apparently, we're getting shadow banned, is what it feels like. Alright, where do we go? Oh, can we jump off from here? I believe that is the plan.
My ass is already gone. Hey, look! People!
I say we drop in and say hello.
If you glide over it real gently, you'll come over to the main part to where we're getting close to the bunker.
Okay. This
Yeah.
is a bit of a hike.
And there'll be plenty of stuff to kill in there.
Yeah, we probably should
Ah!
The other way. I mean, the main reason we're not there already is because somebody can't fly.
Oh, shut up.
I think he
And judging from that sound, I think he crashed.
Shut up.
Yep, I think he crashed.
Oh my god, it's not that hard, guys.
I jumped, dude. Come on. I got a cliff here.
Delta 2, neutral 2, Delta 3, over. He's a liability.
10-4, death from above.
Shut up, both of you. Oh, wait, where are we going? And we're near the light thingy. Do we go to investigate, or is it just going to be a later episode?
What?
Do you not see the lights off to the right? The giant...
I see smoke.
You don't see giant light beams in the sky, like off to the right, or...
Stay focused, Delta 3. Stay on my ass. We're getting the katana first. Ooh, there's a village over there.
Whee! Gotta get out of the tree line here. Sounds like I'm still attacking something. I think I might be bugged. Negative! It just impacted on the surface!
Now we're eating my McDonald's. I'm flying back.
Alright, where are we headed?
This video is paid for and sponsored by... No, I'm just kidding.
A good try, but we're a ways off from sponsors, homeboy. I feel like I could make a kamikaze joke here, but I won't. Ah!
We're never gonna get there, are we?
Dude, we're here. What are you talking about?
Oh, nice.
This
Tape.
is not the bunker for the katana.
This isn't?
There's
I thought this was the bunker.
There's a golf cart here.
It has the helicopter on the outside of it. It's further down to our...
Oh my god. Hey, at least we got a vehicle right here, though.
Oh my god, we're not doing that again. Let's find something to jump off of.
Why you didn't?
I want to go fly.
You didn't want.
Please.
You didn't want to.
Please.
You didn't want to have to walk after getting the thing stuck on a rock. I'm hearing silence.
If it's crashed into a tree or a rock, I was the one driving and I just said fuck it. And
Hey, dude.
if it's parked out in the open, it's Haas, he drove.
That's fair. Also, watch the F word.
Pretty fair.
The F word immediately means demonetization and potential shadow ban. Nose down.
I'm gonna cut my mic.
Oh no, dude, just be yourself, just be mindful.
Look at him, he finally learned how to get some speed. Look at him go.
I don't know if that's legal. Oop, that killed my speed.
Yeah, you have to climb, you can't just shoot straight up.
Yeah, I just noticed I killed most of my speed there. Alright. Climb, climb! I see a camp. God dang. I gotta admit, they should have just made a flying simulator based around this glider. Woo-hoo! Oh. 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 Are we not going for the katana?
I don't know where he's going.
Follow D number. Is that supposed to be D3? You were holding the shift, dumbass. D2. If you're flying too low. I just love how you gave up on the walkie-talkie and switched over to typing. It's like, I don't know how you misspell while speaking, but I could just hear it. Here, brother. All right. Ah, dang. Got to angle down. Oh, wait, where are we headed?
Up and to the right.
Alright, I think I kind of messed up here. Do we have to go up onto the cliffside?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna try and land on the cliffside here. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Coming in for a landing. I think I'm gonna slide off the cliff here. Yay. And of course my glider fell down the fucking mountain. Awesome. Alright, I'll need to find a cliff. I lost my glider. There and here, say something! Alright, hopefully this is a good place to get up and around. Giggity. You're not- I never said you were in the corner, buddy. I just said kind of be mindful. You're not in trouble. We love you. Here. We're... There. All better? Oh, here I am talking, and it's like, all better? You're not in the timeout, you're just... I told you. I need subtitles. I feel like that should be an entire video. It's like Theranir just isn't allowed to talk.
Guys, we went too far south.
I have a question mark here. Is that a good thing? Yeah. Okay, stop that. Stop that right now. This is not that kind of channel. Okay. I think I'm up on the cliff side, so I should be able to jump. Too far south? Looks like meat's back on the What? 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 Do not butcher Tolkien, you... No! 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 No, Haktua! Oh, for... Ah! 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 Damn it! I need a revive if somebody can get me. Hello? Anybody? Can you hear me? I can't type anymore. That's it. Where's that icon? Hello? I seem to have been captured. The natives are not friendly. Alright, let's do this. And they didn't pilfer my armor, how sad. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's grab the rescue bag here. Alright, hello, I've been captured. I need help. Skin pouch, of course.
You've been captured.
Yes, I crashed to my death, and, you know, Theranir just watched. Also, I lost my glider. Yeesh.
Alright.
Looks like I'll be riding the little knight. So I count at least 5 hostiles. I'm gonna move off into the brush here.
Let me see. I'm gonna come to you.
Alright, where's my glider?
Look in your inventory and see if it just put it back in there.
I don't.
If not, it's gonna be wherever you died at.
Whoa, where did you come from? Hello, friend. I'm not interested in whatever you're selling. Take that.
I'm coming.
Take that. Stand there and be my pincushion. Take it. Take it. Oh my god. I'm surrounded by cannibals. Still chasing me. I hear them. I think. Oh, here they come. Ah! Go to sleep. There we go. He's done. Ooh, a stick. Oh, wait. I need to... Does it tell me where my glider was? It should be... Actually, it might be close. Continues to eat... Yes! Continue to be a disappointment. What's my GPS option? Oh, yeah, center stick. Or not. You're not following any orders. Uh-oh. Execute Order 66. Go away. Okay, your typing privileges are now revoked. Go to sleep. Alright, and my glider is nowhere near here. Is there a way to find out where my glider is? Or do I just have to remember where I died? I just love how you dome that one person. Like, I don't wanna come! They lost me. Don't make me do it! Don't make me do it! Ugh. Alright, how do I whip out the GPS?
Alright, where were you when you died?
I do not remember.
Or is Delta 1 sitting at your location where you died at?
I don't know. That looks about right. Otherwise, we might have to grab another one.
I guess he's radio south.
Yeah, he has stayed... Oop. God dang it, I can't hold out the GPS and talk at the same time. Anyway, he's radio silent. I don't think he's where I died. Ugh. Oh, well. Is there another one nearby? Because I'm going to have to call it here. I got to find a way to get back to base. This adventure took too long.
Hang on one.
So, eating noises. God damn it, dude. Alright. I'm going to have to end the video here and probably log off for the night. So... Alright, ending recording. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys, and I'm sorry that this episode was a bust. We'll see you in the next one.